behalf of Yamaha Music Vietnam, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for Kinderland International Preschool to make this opportunity for the introduction of junior music course here in Kinderland. Our Yamaha Music Vietnam's mission is sharing passion and performance through providing quality of musical instruments and also services to contribute for the enrichment of the life for all people from children to adults. We are providing a junior music course here in International Preschool Kinderland. So this is a core course of Yamaha music education system, which targeted for age 4-5 years old children. So this is just a starting for musical journey for the students to enjoy the music for long. We, Yamaha, would like to seek the possibility to develop that musical experiences for children together with Kinderland.
It is an honor today to be here to celebrate the collaboration between Yamaha Music and Kinderland. Yamaha is a global brand. We feel very honored to work with Yamaha to ensure that music education is within this community. We hope to work with Yamaha for more collaboration opportunities. Thank you.